Welcome to Glean. It takes less than 1 minute to get started. Here's how. Create a new event and choose a recording option. If you're learning remotely, select Record Screen Audio. While recording, label important moments and add text notes as you listen. Or switch to lightning mode for one-touch labels. Structure your notes by adding lecture slides and headings to your event. Finished? Add your event to a collection to keep things organized. When it's time to study, you can easily listen back to the important moments labeled during recording. Add in extra detail to hone your notes into a personalized study resource. It's as simple as that, and with a second to spare. Now it's over to you. Let's get started with your first event.